bright feathers, brilliant minds, and a voice that echoes through the canopy. Parrots aren't just beautiful, they're vital to the ecosystems they call home, but behind the colors and charm lies a darker truth. Parrots are more than pretty birds, they're ecological engineers. By dispersing seeds and recycling nutrients, they help forests thrive. And healthy forests? They store carbon, regulate climate, and support countless species, including us. But their intelligence and beauty have made them targets. The illegal pet trade is devastating wild parrot populations. In West Africa, the African gray parrot has seen a 99% decline in some regions. In Southeast Asia, parrots are trapped with glue, smuggled in plastic bottles and sold across borders. Many die before reaching their destination. Those that survive often suffer from stress, isolation, and shortened lifespans in captivity. The demand is driven by fascination. Parrots can mimic human speech, solve puzzles, and even outperform young children in cognitive tests. But these traits evolved for survival in the wild, not for entertainment in a cage. Organizations like the World Parrot Trust are fighting back, rescuing birds, rehabilitating them, and releasing them when possible. They're also working with communities to offer alternatives to trapping like ecotourism and craft work. You can help. Never buy wild-caught parrots, support conservation groups, share this video, and speak up, because silence is part of the problem. Let parrots be wild, let forests sing, and let us be the generation that ends the trade, not the one that watches them disappear.